Hey guys, how are you? Happy Sunday. We are at it again with another Kmart haul, and I have had this stuff sitting here for too long. On the very first day, I think, or one of the very first days when Melbourne was allowed to go to the shops again, I took that opportunity, and on my lunch break I went to Kmart and I grabbed some things, and I've been waiting to show you and I've just been forgetting. So let's do it today. I have to say, Kmart is killing it with the Christmas stuff this year. There is so much cool stuff that they've brought out this year. There's so much adorable stuff that they've brought out this year. It's just a great range. They've really peaked. Hopefully not peaked. Hopefully it keeps getting better, but they've done a really good job this year. I took a whole lot of photos when I was in store last time that I'm going to post on my Instagram stories the day that I put this video live, so right now. So if you head over to my Instagram, you'll be able to see so many of the cool little Christmas things that Kmart has to offer at the moment. I will leave my link in the description down below, and it is also just Jessie Prue. It's very easy. I do have two Christmas things to show you in my little bundle that I have today, so I'm going to start with those. The first, I think, are not at all my style, but I have a vision for them, okay? So these are bright red ceramic pillar holders. They're candle holders. So this is their little label. They look like this. They're literally just a plain ceramic candle holder. I have a few DIY ideas of what I want to do with these because red is not like ever in my styling color palette. Even at Christmas time, I tend to stick to like silvers and whites and stuff. I don't really venture towards red, but they were in the little Christmas section. They have a lot of Christmas stuff this year that's just plain, which is kind of cool. It's good that they've done that because even if you didn't want to use these at Christmas time, you just picked them up and you like them, you forget or something, I don't know, but they could be used year round because they're just plain. They don't have any of the like tacky Christmas stuff on them. So they're pretty versatile, which is handy. I grabbed two just in case one of them doesn't work out. But yeah, simple little candle holders. Now I had seen those online, so I knew I wanted to get them, so I was kind of like making a beeline for them when I spotted them out of the corner of my eye, and the smell that I walked past, oh my god, it was delicious. So I could not stop without picking this little set of candles up. It's got one of my hairs on it. That's beautiful, you're welcome. This is a set of 3 soy candles. So there's vanilla bean, mixed berry, and pink apple. Tart, they're all tart flavors. So these are just a little gift set, but they smelt so good in the store and they smell real good now. So I am excited to get some of these up. These two are quite muted colors, so they're nice. They could kind of be used whenever. This one's purple, but that's fine. They smell good, so they'll be cute little candles that I can put around the place for Christmas time. So those of you who do follow me on Instagram would know that we already have one of these. This one is the jar that I use for tissues to make them look pretty instead of being in an ugly box. And these work best when you don't try and shove an entire tissue box in them. They work a lot better when you just do like half a tissue box. So I got another one. That's a very weird way to show it to you. I got another one so that we can have another pretty glass tissue jar around the house, and yeah, it just comes with the little bamboo lid if you wanted to use it for like actual jar things. I feel like I might have sprayed something near this one because it feels like it's kind of covered in something. So I will clean this before putting tissues in, but yeah, nice easy one. Got another jar to match the jar that we already have. The next two are very quick, very easy. I got a nail file. I've already taken one of them out. It did come with 2, so it comes with 2 nail files and a little cuticle pusher thingy. I have nail files everywhere. So I was a like chronic nail biter growing up, and I've done really well growing my nails back over COVID. So I now have nail files everywhere. So the moment I get like a little nick or bump or anything, I file it out straight away because I know that I get devastated when they rip and break when I've worked so hard to grow them so long. And one time I jammed the middle one, I'm not gonna flip you off, but I jammed the middle one in a door at work and it still has this giant white thing from where it like was ridiculously bruised. That hurt, but anyway, that is irrelevant. I got a nail file. And while I was in that kind of realm of Kmart, I grabbed some bobby pins. I just get the dark ones because my hair is dark. So yeah, box of 100 bobby pins because I think I'm down to about 6. Don't know where they go, but I haven't bought them in years, so you know, whichever ones I bought last did last a long time, so that's good. But yeah, more bobby pins. You can never have too many of these. So I am incredibly picky with tea towels. The collection that we have right now is pretty big, but I hate about 80% of them because the material is just really thin and you can't dry anything with a thin tea towel. Like, do you know what I mean? Those of you who don't have a dishwasher, you know what I mean. Like, it's just, it gets so wet immediately, it's just useless. It's not helpful at all. So I've been, every time I go to Kmart, I kind of suss out the tea towel section. I don't like bold, bright, colored type of things. I prefer neutrals, like grays and stuff. So I always keep an eye out for any gray tea towels that they might come out with. Normally the material is pretty subpar, so I don't buy them, but I came across these ones which are really thick and they're really big. Like, it's obviously clipped together, but like these are huge. Now, they say grey extra large tea towels. They pull very green to me. I don't know, but they're just stripy tea towels. They're very thick. They're extra large, like it says. There's a little label for you. But yeah, so you get 3 in a pack and they're good quality. So I don't know if it's just because I'm surrounded by so many plants right now that this is pulling a bit green to me. I'm not really sure how it's coming up on camera because I don't have glasses on and I can only see a little viewfinder. But when they're in the kitchen, I'll see how they look. Hopefully they don't pull too green in the kitchen, but they feel really good quality. Like, they're very thick. Even when you like open it all up, it's still pretty dang thick. So that's what we like in a tea towel. This is how long these things have been sitting there. I am dusting this with a t-shirt. That needs to be washed now. Anyway, this is another kitchen one, which I'm not sure if I want to use for the kitchen or if I want to do a DIY with it. I haven't decided, but it is just this big black dish. It is called the serving bowl with handles. Kmart coming through again with the very obvious names, but it's pretty nice. It's very like thick. It is stoneware, apparently. Microwave safe, dishwasher safe, all those things. But yeah, it's just a good size little bowl. It is quite nice. If you guys watched a couple of probably a while ago, a few hauls ago, I did say that we were wanting to up our serving bowl collection and stuff. So I did originally pick this up with that idea in mind, and then I've since come across a few different ways to use dishes like this in different DIYs or in looking after plants, which is a bit random. So I'm not sure what I want to do with this one yet, but I have it and we'll do something with it. So, and last but not least, I grabbed a fun one. So this one was very much inspired by Zisha over on Life of Zeons. So head to her channel and check her out because she's bought a whole lot of little crafty things from Kmart to give her less screen time, which I think is a fantastic idea, and I am stealing it. Thank you, Zisha. So I grabbed this little punch needle kit. This isn't the one that I wanted. There was a different one that was I don't know, it was slightly different, but it had a different kind of plant pattern and it was not a punch needle one. It was one of the other ones. I don't remember what it was, but this was the only one they had, so I grabbed this one. It's got like a little monstera leaf on it anyway, so it is quite cute. So I'll open it up and show you what they've got inside, if I can. Damn, what sticky tape do these people use? So yeah, this stuff, this is everything that comes in the little itty bitty box, plus a, like, what are these called? What are they called? They're like the sucky air thingies. Wow. They keep stuff dry. It's gone from my brain. I'm not gonna sit here and make you wait until I figure out what the word is. But anyway, that's all the stuff you get in here. The instructions are very simple. There's 5 steps, so I'm sure I will figure it out. But that's just a little activity for me to do to avoid sitting on my phone so much. So we will see how badly I fail at this. This I will update you on my Instagram about as well, because I feel like it's either gonna be hilarious or like surprisingly turn out really well. I'll let you guess which one you think it is. It's definitely the former, but yeah, I grabbed this one. So it's already covered in dog hair, but yeah, that is the last thing that I grabbed. Well, no, it's the last thing in this little group of stuff that I have to show you. There is always going to be more Kmart stuff on my channel. You can like bet on that. And that's it from me today. Just a little quick one today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you would like to see more Kmart content, please hit the subscribe button. I do have a shop with me coming up. I just haven't quite gathered all the footage together yet. So that is coming soon, and also all the DIYs that I keep telling you guys about are coming very soon as well. They are in the works. It's just a bit more work than I anticipated, which is just my life. Everything is more work than I anticipated. Ooh, this is what I'm talking about. My nail is catching on my shirt. I'm gonna file that before it breaks. The only downside to this is that now my nails are like not all the same shape at all. I need to go get a manicure or something so that they're all the same shape again. But anyway, thank you so much for watching today. I will see you next week. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and do all of the things. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next weekend. Bye guys. Yeah, they really don't match. Watch this video. Bye guys.